Get through the traffic somehow, right?
You're
Gonna surprise a lot of people. You're gonna come up to you at the next stoplight and wonder what the heck is going on. Yeah, the turbos just pick up so quick. Did you drive it much when it was stock?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you'd probably notice a little bit of lag in the throttle.
Yeah, exactly.
You'll notice a significant pickup from that.
I can tell instantly.
So great. I honestly think it rides way better than the Escalade.
Yeah, I really like it. It's actually quick. We called, and I think in 2 weeks we had the Navigator up to site. It's been about another, 2 weeks? That was quick. I'm looking forward to pulling up to the first Mustang I see in Waco.